Same panel, same sun. Why is this one making much more power? Nothing changed, except the controller. Both setups use the same solar panel and battery. The wiring is identical. The only difference is what sits in between, the charge controller. And that turns out to matter a lot more than most people think. According to the datasheet, this panel should operate somewhere about 19 volts at maximum power. Something is clearly off. So the question is, where is the power going? To understand this, I first need to find where the panel actually wants to operate. I connect the panel directly to the electronic load and gradually increase the current. For each point, I measure voltage and current and calculate power. At first, the power increases as the load increases, but then it reaches the peak and after that, the panel voltage suddenly collapses. Part of the measurement happened outside the frame, so I'll show the final results directly. The maximum power point is at about 16 volts. That's where the panel produces the most power. The panel wants to run at 16.2 volts. According to the datasheet, this should be closer to 19 volts, but this panel has been sitting in direct sunlight for hours. It's hot, and temperature pushes the voltage down. I explain this in more detail in another video. Now I connect a PWM controller. The panel and the battery are connected through DC rated breakers. Battery first, then the panel. Now the panel is at about 14 volts. That's basically the battery voltage. This controller is not tracking anything. It's just connecting the panel directly to the battery. So instead of operating at 16 volts, the panel is forced to run at battery voltage. The PWM controller does not allow the panel to operate where it actually wants to, and now I measure the current. Now let's replace the PWM controller with a proper MPPT controller. Battery first, then the panel. We measure the maximum power point at 16 volts. And the controller is holding the panel at about 17 volts. That's very close. And now measure the current. So the panel is operating right where it produces the most power. A real MPPT controller contains a DC-DC converter that allows the panel and the battery to operate at different voltages. The panel wants to run at 16 volts, and the MPPT controller allows that. A solar panel does not produce the same power at all voltages. There is one specific point where the voltage times current is the highest. MPPT actually searches for that point. PWM doesn't. It just connects the panel to the battery and hopes for the best. And that's the difference you are seeing here. If you are using PWM with a panel like this, you are leaving a lot of power on the table. And this is a difference. This is not a lab experiment. This is how systems behave in the real world. There are cable losses, temperature effects, and charging conditions. But even with all of that, the difference is still very clear. And in the next video, I'll test a cheap controller that claims to be MPPT and see if it actually behaves like this. The panel didn't change, the sun didn't change, only the controller did. This is Emergency Power Lab. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.